guys, welcome back to our video, and today we are going to show you the two last different rice. Diane is supposed to be the narrator, but today it's me.
Okay, so welcome back to our last part of 7 Ways to Cook Rice by Chef Mathieu.
Yes. So the two rice that we have, the two last rice that I made was sweet, but it also pair a salty dish. Ulam. So the first rice that I did was Madras rice, pineapple, raisin, and that's it.
You'll see.
You will see. Very good. And then the second rice, to the last rice, it's my creation. I mean, I just came out with this.
Chef Matt's creation.
Yes. So it's red onions, mushrooms, honey, curry.
Yeah.
And we mashed and we paired it with
Roasted chicken wings.
very good.
Okay, so enjoy the videos. We will discuss later after seeing them. And let us know. As usual, please don't forget to comment,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. See you later. We are going to do our 6th rice recipe.
Yes. So for today's recipe is going to be Riz Madras, which is Madras rice. Madras. It's a sweet rice. So for the recipe of today, I can combine it with something that could be also sweet.
Okay.
Which is either sweet and sour fish, or could be menudo or afritada, something that can be sweet as well.
Okay.
So for the ingredients, it's going to be half an onion. We have pineapple, and then dry raisins.
Okay.
And of course, 2 cups of rice for 3 cups of water.
Okay, so we're back to 3 cups, 1.5 water. All right, let's prep.
Okay. Plug your rice cooker. I forgot to mention earlier, but
Yes, of course we need
Olive
more
oil. So olive oil, good amount of play. And then we're gonna go with our onions. So same then the 3 first rice that I cook, we are going to give a little bit of color but not brown. So it has to be translucid. Yes, go.
Okay.
So the onions
Are now
a little bit cooked. So I'm not gonna wait for the onions to be brown. I'm gonna add my pineapple because it has a lot of water as well.
Okay. So the pineapple, chef, do they need to use the crushed ones or the sliced
It's
ones?
either crushed or bits.
Or bits,
Yes.
okay. We're not gonna put all.
No. Okay, then when we have this mixed, we will close and let it cook again to
Okay.
evaporate the water.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, after 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes, let's check if the water is still too much. Here I can tell you it's a little bit too much. So I will let it evaporate again for another 1 to 2 minutes. And add the raisins. Okay, so now that my rice cooker has clicked back to warm, it means that the water has evaporated.
Ooh.
And I'm going to add my raisins.
How much raisins, chef?
Pretty much the same amount than the pineapple I have. Yan. Yan.
Rimaras.
So here, let's mix again. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna add the rice right away.
Wash 3 times.
Wash 3 times and wash your hands because I'm using my hands.
Yes.
And let's mix. So here again we are trying to, we have to cover the grain of the rice with the oil that we have.
Alright.
And add the water. So for 2 cups of rice again, 3 cups of water.
Alright. So now we will just wait for the rice cooker to do its job.
As simple as this.
As simple as that. Okay, can't wait to eat. Back to cooking mode. So while we're waiting for our rice, we are cooking our ulam, which is going to be sweet and sour fish. Yum.
Okay, our rice is cooked. So here I can start to do my plating.
Oh, wow.
So do not forget that this is sweet rice. Huh? So don't mash it with dishes that doesn't match sweet.
And we are using our new RAK oval plate Neo Fusion version. Nabudol na naman kami ng Mall of Kitchens, guys. Alright. Oh my god, yummers.
Oops. And then
We are pairing it with
cream dory tempura with sweet and sour sauce.
sweet and sour fish. Yun na lang. Okay lang ba yun, baby? Ganun na lang natin siya i-describe. Yes. Okay, baby. Konting bilis. Yum! Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. Happy lunch! Bon appetit! The ulam complements the rice so much. And the other way around. Ang sarap. I did not put anything else anymore. With dahil sa mouth ko. Ang sarap. Nagab. Bon appetit! So today we are going to do our last rice. Hi, Chef.
Hello. Last and 7th one.
The 7th rice. Okay, so today we are going to do...
So to pair with the 6th one that we did, we are going to make a sweet rice. So today we are going to use the two main ingredients. Is going to be yellow curry
Okay.
and then honey. And then we are going to match it with mushroom and red onions.
Okay.
Of course, we have 2 cups of rice already washed, and then 3 cups of water.
Okay.
This rice is a perfect match for chicken.
All right. How do you call it this rice? How do you call this rice?
No name. It's French. Mathieu, Chef Mathieu's invitation. No?
Matches rice.
Innovation. Yes.
Matches rice?
Yes.
Wow, I like it. All right. Let's practice.
Let's go. Okay, so the prep is finally done. Again, we only need to have our rice cooker. You put a good amount of rice. Up,
Oil.
There we go.
Olive oil.
Every video, every time I said rice for the oil. Okay, click for cooking.
All right.
And then let's put our onions.
Our red onions.
Okay, that's enough. It's going to
Okay.
be 3/4. And then wait for the onions to be translucent again, and then we will add our mushrooms.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
I know that it's already simmering because the smoke came off.
All right.
So here we open.
Wow.
I will add the mushroom.
What is this mushroom, Chef?
Oyster mushroom, fresh from
fresh.
our kapitbahay. They are growing their
Support
own
local.
mushroom.
Yes.
And of course, I always choose to buy fresh mushroom or fresh ingredients compared to the one in can.
Yum.
For the flavor and the taste, of course. Okay. So
And then
here
we wait
go.
again.
And we wait again for the mushroom to reduce the amount of water.
Okay.
And warm.
Okay.
So I'm gonna open it na lang and then give a mix.
Ang bango, chef.
Then once I mix it, once I mix it, of course I cannot play the cook again, so I'm just gonna close it and then let it cook for 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna. Okay, so it's looking good. So first thing we are going to put
So
in here.
after a few minutes, like 2 minutes.
So the first thing we're gonna put here is honey. So for my 2 cups of rice, I'm going to put my 5 teaspoons of honey.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And then the curry,
So we are using, chef,
yellow curry.
yellow curry.
So
McCormick.
So it's not so spicy. So here I'm gonna put 2
2 teaspoons.
Here, 1 and 2. I'm gonna give a little mix.
Okay.
Then add my rice.
Which we washed 3 times already. So it's 2 cups of rice. Jasmine, we're using jasmine rice, guys.
Still the same brand.
Yep.
Jasmine rice.
Okay. And then
Then we
mix it. Ang bango, the honey, can smell honey. Okay. And then
So mix well, very well. And then we add the water and let the rice cooker work.
okay. And put your 3 cups of water. Yum, I can't wait. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for the rice cooker to do its job. Okay. Click cook again.
And wait.
And wait. So this is what we are going to pair it with yummers. Okay, so this rice is actually Matt's rice. It's his creation.
The final.
Yeah, the final one.
The grand final.
Yes, it's with curry, honey, and onions
And mushroom.
and mushroom.
And rice.
This is an original.
With mushroom. Ano yung baby? Ano yung mushroom mo?
Oyster mushroom.
Oyster mushroom. Meron pa kayong mga bisita pero ayaw nila mapakita. So, anak, what can you say about it?
It's really good. It's not that sweet. It's just right.
And it's perfect with chicken. Oh, Sherry? Yeah?
Good. It's curry. So if you don't want to make a curry chicken, you can make a curry rice and then make your chicken on the side.
At yung anak ko kumakain din ng ramen.
Perfect.
Bon appetit! So that's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching our videos. Bye!
Bye.
So, Chef,
Yes.
what can you say about this experience?
Well, it was hard to work with you, to be honest. Joke lang. No, I don't want to fight. It was quite an experience because I actually never done those kind of rice in such a short time. So
And consecutively.
Yeah, and consecutively. But
And to share with you, actually, this was some of the rice that he showed you guys were also our first time, especially his creation.
yes.
So it was a first for us also, and the videos that we've shown you guys, those are all first takes. It was unscripted. It was really his knowledge and his willingness to change the mentality of just plain rice every day.
Always, yes. Oh,
So,
yes.
Yeah.
Now what I want to say is that just by doing a rice like this you will make the dish itself looks even greater or taste even better. I really enjoy cooking those during those videos. I'm really looking forward to do it again with you on this time.
Yes, let us know please if you've done it, your experience about it. There are some people who already sent us photos that they paired it with other dishes. We're so happy. Thank you so much. It really warms our hearts. Charot. And there's also some people who's requesting for pasta dishes or potato dishes, and just please just let us know and we will do it again.
Maybe the most asked will be the next 7 videos.
Yes.
So go ahead.
And I hope you still watch me, guys, even without Matt with me. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
And thank you so much for all the subscribers and the people who were very patient to watch our videos.
Yes.
We really enjoyed it.
How do you say that? Like so you don't miss any notification? Yes. You
Just like and
it.
subscribe.
Yes. Bye-bye.
And share. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.